Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy one-pan cheesy chicken casserole. This one-pan cheesy chicken casserole is comfort food your whole family will love. It's made with tender chicken breasts and a creamy cheesy sauce topped with crispy panko breadcrumbs. And my favorite part, it's easily made in one pan. So let's get started. In a bowl, combine 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup with 1/4 cup of milk. Mix until well combined. In another bowl, combine a 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Ever since I started cooking with panko breadcrumbs, I can't go back to regular breadcrumbs. I just love the crispy texture. Here I have about 1 3/4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm going to slice each breast in half horizontally. These chicken breasts are pretty large, and I want to make sure that they cook evenly. Now I have 4 pieces of chicken total, and I'm going to season each with salt, garlic salt, and pepper. We're not going to add too much salt because the condensed cream of chicken soup and the cheese already contains a good amount of sodium. Here I have a little bit of oil in a pan over medium-high to high heat, and I'm going to sear the chicken on both sides until it's nice and browned. Make sure you use a pan that's transferable to the oven, otherwise you're going to have to transfer the chicken onto a baking sheet. The chicken is looking good. I'm just going to sear this about 2 minutes per side. What I love about this casserole is that it's super easy, and I usually already have all these ingredients on hand. Remove from heat and add about 1 1/4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. You'll see when the cheese is cooked with the cream of chicken soup mixture, it's just going to make this delicious sauce. Now we're going to spoon over the cream of chicken soup mixture. Do you guys see the bits of cheese that's sizzling on the bottom of the pan? After it's done cooking, you can just scrape them off, and honestly, that's my favorite part of the casserole. Now we're going to top it off with these buttery panko breadcrumbs. They're going to add just a nice layer of crunch. Preheat your oven and bake for about 30 minutes. And if you want the top a little bit more browned, go ahead and place it underneath the broiler for about another minute. All right, it's done baking, and I have to show you guys how delicious this looks. It's nice, warm, and bubbly. I usually like to serve this with some steamed rice and some broccoli or green beans. All I know is that this dish is definitely one of those comforting meals that hits the spot. The chicken is perfectly cooked, nice, tender, and cheesy. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.